Hi everyone, and welcome to Solar Wholesale. I'm Davey. Today we're diving into the topic that's been on everyone's mind in the solar industry, solar tariffs. What are solar tariffs? Let's break it down. Recently, the tariff rate on solar cells increased from 25 to 50%. This means the cost of importing solar panels has gone up. Why are tariffs happening? The short answer is to level the playing field. China has been dominating the solar supply chain, raising concerns about unfair trade practices, and these tariffs are an attempt to encourage the domestic solar manufacturing in the US. The impact on solar prices. We understand this can be concerning. The truth is there will likely be a short-term impact on wholesale solar prices. However, there's good news too. The Inflation Reduction Act. The Inflation Reduction Act is a game changer. It provides tax incentives for US-made solar components from polysilicon to modules. These incentives will help bring down the cost of domestic solar manufacturing. What is Solar Wholesale doing? What are we doing? We're here for you every step of the way. Here's what we're doing to navigate these changes. We've pre-purchased panels, so we've secured a stock of solar panels unaffected by the tariffs. And this means that you can still access high-quality panels at competitive prices. US-made solar panels. We're actively exploring US-made solar panel options. We'll bring them on board as soon as they're cost-effective and widely available. Staying informed. We're committed to keeping you up to date on all things solar. We'll continue to research and stay ahead of the curve on new products and market changes. The future of solar. Despite these changes, the future of solar is very bright. Solar energy is on the rise, accounting for over 3% of the US electricity generation in 2022. The number is only going up. So we're confident that these new policies will ultimately strengthen the US solar industry and make solar more accessible than ever. Interested in learning more about how these changes might affect your specific needs? Reach out to our team of experts. We're here to answer your questions, help you find the best solution for you. Subscribe for more industry updates and insights from Solar Wholesale.